Have you ever Googled yourself? If not, you should, because your audience and Google already have. Whether you're an individual expert or a company, what shows up when someone searches your name is one of the strongest trust signals in the EEAT ecosystem. This is known as branded search, and Google uses it to evaluate your credibility across the web. In this lecture, you will learn how to guide what people see when they search for you or your brand, and how to build a reputation profile that supports long-term SEO trust. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the link between branded search and perceived authority, proactively shape Google's display of your identity and expertise, leverage structured data and off-site signals to influence knowledge panels. Why branded search signals matter. When people search for your name, brand, or business, Google pays attention. This behavior, known as branded search, helps Google assess how recognizable, credible, and trustworthy you are. It's not just about traffic. It's about what shows up when someone Googles you. For example, are people searching for Dr. Maria Tan's weight loss advice or just weight loss tips? Does your name auto-complete in Google? Do you have a knowledge panel, social profiles, or interviews showing up? Are reviews, testimonials, or news articles attached to your name? If the answer is no, you're missing out on a powerful chance to build authority before anyone even clicks on your content. These signals act as passive proof that you're known, trusted, and worth listening to. Step 1. Audit what shows up. Start by searching for the following on Google: your full name, your brand or business name, your name, plus niche, e.g., Nora Patel Copywriting, your website URL, your brand name, plus reviews. As you review the results, take note of what ranks in the top 5 results. Do your social profiles, about page, or official website appear? Is someone else's content showing up instead of yours? This snapshot is your branded search footprint, how you appear to Google and your audience at first glance. If it's vague, outdated, or missing key signals, it's time to improve your online presence. Step 2. Improve the signals that shape results. To influence branded search, focus on your website SEO. Make sure your about page, contact page, and any key bio pages are optimized with your name or brand. Author schema markup. Use structured data to clearly label who you are. This helps Google connect the dots between your site and your social accounts, profiles, or articles. Claim your knowledge panel. If one exists, claim it via Google Search Console. If not, improve your public footprint to trigger one. Wikipedia, Wikidata, notable mentions. Consistent bios across platforms. Use the same name, photo, tagline, and links across LinkedIn, YouTube, Medium, podcast bios, and author boxes. Social signals and mentions. Encourage podcast hosts, collaborators, and interviewers to mention you by full name and link back to your homepage or about page. Branded Google Business Profile. If you're a business or public figure, having a Google Business Profile adds legitimacy, even for online-only brands. Step 3. Trigger and train. Google's understanding. Branded search isn't just about what people see. It's about how Google connects your identity. To train that connection, use the same domain and handle consistently. Publish across trusted platforms like Forbes, Entrepreneur, or podcast directories. Encourage people to search your name by using branded hashtags, callouts, or social prompts. Link your content back to your author or company bio page. What is a knowledge panel and why does it matter? A knowledge panel is the info box that appears on the right side of Google search results for recognized people or brands. It often includes your name, logo, or photo, a short description or title, website, and social links. Public works like books, podcasts, or affiliations. While you can't request one directly, you can increase your chances by creating a Wikidata entry, getting featured on credible websites, adding schema.org person or organization markup to your site, staying consistent across all public mentions. A knowledge panel signals that Google understands and trusts who you are, and that's a major EEAT advantage. When someone searches your name or brand, they're looking for proof that you're credible. Google is doing the same. Branded search, author bios, structured data, and consistent public mentions all work together to shape how you're seen by users and by the algorithm.